Student, in previous video we have studied about Yonamine and Busi lesson. Okay. In previous video we have seen about the Yonamine. She was a strong girl, she was a tall, beautiful, and she was an expert in a karate, okay, in a martial art. Okay. Now she was when she was become marriageable, she declared that I want to marry that one person who could beat her in a fair match. Okay. Now see student, in this way we have seen, okay, there are many men came, they want to marry with the Yonamine, but all of them Yonamine defeated in the contest, in a match. Okay. Now see next what happened. Now see, Busikyo was just such a man. He had trained under the karate master Sakugawa. He proved to be such an expert that he was recruited by Shoko, the king of Okinawa, to be his personal guard. Now see student, the Busikyo, okay, was just such a man. He was a man, okay. He had trained under the master. His master means he was trained in karate. His master name was the Shaukawa. Okay, he proved to be an expert. He was expert. That's why he recruited by Shawaku, the king of Okinawa. His personal guard means that king of Okinawa appointed him as a king. He's a personal guard. Recruited means student hired for a job, means appointed for a job. Okay. Now see student, is that next is that his friend said to Busi, you should take on the challenge of this girl, Yonamine. She may be big, but you are stronger and smarter than her. Busi too was keen to marry a girl like the Yonamine. He did not want to delicate or fragile girl for a while. I shall fight with her and win over her, he decided. Student, his friend, that Busi's friend told him, said him, you should take challenge of this girl. He may be big, but you are the smarter as well as stronger more than her. Okay. Now see student, Busi too was keen. He means wish to marry like a Yonamine girls. He also want to marry girls like a Yonamine. Okay. He did not want to marry with the delicate as well as fragile girls. Means not strong. Means delicate. Okay. Okay. Then one day he decided he will fight with the Yonamine and win her over her. He decided he took decision to fight against the Yonamine and win the match and will marry with her. Now see next is that Yonamine was impressed at the sight of her new challenger. Okay, she had heard that he was one of the king Shako's personal warriors. He was tall and slim. He stood firmly on his feet and seemed unshakable. Above all, he had dark, piercing eyes which looked straight at the opponent and showed that he was fearless and straightforward. Now see student, Yonamine was impressed when she heard about that the Busi. He accepted her challenge. He be married with her. Okay. She also became impressed. She had heard that the Busi was the personal guard of the king of Hokkaido. Okay. He was a tall and slim student, and he stood firmly on his feet without fearing. Unshakable means without trembling. He stood in the front of Yonamine in the match. Okay, which looked straight at the opponent showed her fearless, not without fear and straightforward. When he stood in front of Yunai, that time he was looking fearless and courageous person. Okay, now see next is that the wrestling match began. Yonam and Busi bowed to each other and then began to attack each other. Okay, now next is that in earnest, they punched, kicked, twisted using their best techniques. It looks as if the match was going to be tied. Nobody winning, nobody losing. Now see student, the wrestling match began to start. Okay, began. Yonamen and Busi bowed to each other to attack each other. Okay, in the earnest means student honestly. They punched, they kicked, they twisted to each other using their best technique because both were the best wrestler as well as martial that have the martial arts. Okay, it looked like if the match was going to be tied because both are the opponents were the equal qualified perfect in a wrestler. Okay, nobody winning and nobody losing. Okay, in the match all saying that nobody winning, nobody losing. But at the crucial moment in the fight, Yonamin paused every so briefly. Busi took advantage of this moment and brought her down with a swift punch. Now see student. But at the crucial means important moment that in that fight, the Yonamin what we say paused and the Busi took the advantage of this pause and he gave a swift punch to her. Okay. Now the next is that Yonamin's father was very happy man because why he was happy? Because he got a future son. Because that Busi defeated the Yonamai in the wrestler match. Okay. Okay. Now see next is that it was a Busi Yonamai were married in splendid ceremony. Means they got married. Okay. It was a happy marriage. Yonamai was a kind, loving. She cooked, cleaned and kept the house spick and span. One day, when she was sweeping the kitchen, Busi saw her lift a huge bag of rice with her left hand as she swept beneath the bag with her right hand. He grew thoughtfully. Is she really so strong? And yet I brought her down with one punch. Now see student, it was a happy marriage and the Yonamai was a kind, clean, okay, loving. She cooked, she cleaned her house, properly put her house. One day what happened, Busi saw her. She was cleaning her house and while cleaning, she lifted a huge bag of sack in her left hand and with the right hand she cleaning that is beneath area of that bag. And that time he said to himself, Busi said to himself, is she really so strong? But I defeated her in a one punch. Okay, now see next is that one day Yonaman announced that she would like to visit her parents. I will leave in the evening and return the next day in the time to cook your dinner. She said to her husband. One day she said to her husband, Yonaman said to her husband, I want to visit my parents. That's why today's in the evening I will go, and in next day at the cooking means dinner time I will come back. Okay, now next scene. One day, okay, you really should not travel during the night, Busi said to her firmly. There are the bandits about. It is just not safe for a woman to go out alone after it is dark. Now see student that Busi, he was clearly, he is a lovingly husband of That's why he said to Yonamine, you are really should not travel during the night time. You should not travel during the night time. Busi said to her. There are the bandits. Bandits means we can call it for say thief. Okay, that person, that is we can call it the bandits. About it is just not safe for a woman to travel during the night time. That's why you don't go. The Busi said to Yonamine. That time Yonamine said, my dear husband, you forget that you married a trained wrestler. Yonamine said to him with a smile, don't forget that I threw you down flat on the ground, said the Busi. You are not unbeatable. Don't worry, said the Yonamine. Bandits are not as skilled as you are. I can take care of myself. Now see student, the Yonamine Busi said to Yonamine, you are a woman. That's why you don't go at the night time. Okay, and there are many bandits, and it is not safe this time to travel you. But the Yonamine said, you forget. I am a trained wrestler. Okay, but the Busi said, I threw down on the flat ground. Okay, you forgot that. That time. Now see, don't forget that I threw you down. You don't forget that, said the Busi. You are not unbeatable. That time Yonamine said, don't worry. All that bandits are not skilled like you. Okay, I can take care myself. Now see student, Busi was not pleased. She is overconfident. He thought to himself, she must be taught a lesson for her own good. Now see student, the Busi thought himself that Yonamine is overconfident. Be overconfident. See how overconfident, proud woman. Okay, that's why I must be taught her a lesson. Okay, taught her a lesson for her good, own good. Okay, student, and that's why that Yonamine was not listening of her husband. That's why Busi was decided to taught her a lesson. What will happen in next part of the lesson, that we will see in the next video. I hope you understood this video. Thank you. Thanks for watching.